Unlocking great deals, the magic of end-of-season sales. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're unraveling the mystery behind a phrase that's music to the ears of shoppers around the globe. End-of-season sale. Stick around as we explore what it means, why it happens, and how you can benefit from it. Whether you're a seasoned bargain hunter or new to the concept, this video is for you. An end-of-season sale is a period when retailers significantly reduce the prices of their merchandise to clear out inventory before the arrival of new stock for the upcoming season. This sale usually happens at the end of major seasons, winter, spring, summer, and fall, and is a golden opportunity for consumers to purchase items at a fraction of their original cost. There are a few reasons why stores hold these sales. 1. Clearing out inventory. As the season ends, retailers need to make room for new products that suit the coming season's weather and trends. 2. Increasing customer traffic. Lower prices attract more customers, boosting sales and clearing out merchandise more quickly. 3. Meeting sales targets. These sales help stores meet their sales targets for the season by quickly selling off remaining stock. To truly benefit from these sales, consider the following tips. Plan ahead. Know what you need before the sale starts to avoid impulse purchases. Check return policies. Make sure you can return items that don't fit or meet your expectations. Compare prices. Ensure the sale price is genuinely a good deal by comparing it with prices from other stores or online. Quality over quantity. Focus on buying higher quality items that will last longer, rather than a larger quantity of cheaper goods. End-of-season sales are a fantastic opportunity to score deals on merchandise as stores transition from one season to the next. By understanding what these sales are and how to navigate them, you can save money while adding valuable pieces to your collection. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject and helps you make the most of your next shopping adventure. Happy shopping, and see you in our next video.